Do you know who this is? This is Edward Douglas White.
Mr. White was born on November 3rd, 1845 in Parrish, Louisiana. Edward White attended Georgetown University, but his education was interrupted by the Civil War. After the war, he went to study law at the University of Louisiana. Edward White's professional career: he was the ninth Chief Justice of the Supreme Court of the United States, but prior to joining the court, White was the United States Senator from Louisiana. Mr. White was nominated to the court by President Grover Cleveland on February 19th. White served in this position from 1910 until his death on May 19, 1921. One landmark case by Edward White was Launcher v. New York. A dissenting opinion was struck down a maximum working hour laws. The second was Blunting v. Oregon, another dissenting opinion from Edward White, which invalidated Congress's attempt to discourage child labor. Mr. Edward White's interesting facts is that he has a statue of himself in the Louisiana natives in the National Statuary Hall in the U.S. Capitol. Also, he was a part of the Rule of Reason, which severely limited the government's power to control monopolies, which primarily contributes to constitutional law. Edward Douglas White died on May 19, 1921. His death was the cause of a heart attack, and it was taking place in Washington, D.C.
In this case, Ernesto Miranda was involved, and this case happened February 28, 1966. This case originated in Phoenix, Arizona. In this case, Ernesto Miranda was arrested in his house and was taken to the nearest police station. He was being questioned by the police officers taking him if he had any idea about the kidnapping and rape. After Miranda stayed there for 2 hours of investigation, the police received a written confession from him. The police officers admitted that they had not informed Miranda of his right of an attorney to present during the interrogation. The jury found Miranda guilty. The court case was decided on June 13, 1966. The key went to trial in Arizona State Court, and the prosecutors used the confession as evidence against Miranda, who was convicted and sentenced to 20 to 30 years in prison. Miranda's attorney came to the Arizona Supreme Court, which upheld the conviction. The impact the case Miranda versus Arizona had on America was that police officers have to notify you of your rights before they can officially arrest you, not detain you. Just so you fully understand your rights before they arrest you, and you do not incriminate yourself without the right counsel.
Thank you.